Today we continue with part 4 of our Athearn RTR GP50 DCC installation by installing the LED headlight and backup light and reinstalling the shell right now. So we're going to install the caulking in the cab roof for the headlight using a micro brush. So we've got the caulking in there, and we are going to put the LED in place, making sure it's centered in the cab, and then we will just need to let that dry. And then we're going to do the same for the backup light. So as you can see, we now have our headlights glued in with the clear silicone caulk, so we just need to wait for that to dry, then we'll be right back. Okay, now that the headlight and backup light are dried with the silicone, we tied together our two blue wires, so those will go to the function common. And then we'll go ahead and solder that to the 12-volt pad on the motherboard. So we'll do that and get right back to you. So now we've got our blue wire soldered to the function common pad on the motherboard. We're going to wire up the L wire to the rear light pad and the white wire to the front light pad. Okay, now that we've got all our wires attached, it's time to tape down the excess wire with Kapton tape and replace the shell. Well, we ran out of time this week, so stay tuned next week as we replace the shell, show you how we modified it to fit the decoder, and we'll replace the shell, give it a test run, and program it. Actually, next week we'll be away in Tennessee visiting my mother-in-law, so we will not be having another video for this until 2 weeks from Friday. And now it's time for the Featured Friday Channel of the Week. The Featured Friday Channel of the Week for this week is Sue the Milwaukee Road and the GN in 1970. Follow along as host Michael Ostertag documents progress on his HO model railroads. He also includes tips, tricks, trivia, and injects some humor into his videos. I encourage you to go over to his channel, the link that I provide in the description, and check out a couple of his videos, and if you like them, subscribe and click the bell icon so you can get notified when he uploads new videos.